When him said Blackstars 1992 you been the Ashanti group led by Kwesi Appiah. Blackstars the year coach here me do nyame mo kofa Yesu Kristo mra ye belu su ma chechena. Mo pa mo ko appoint Yesu. Mo ni Nyankopon ko negotiate. No samra biom. When him the enter Blackstars enye ye so da. I am telling you on authority. Ye Blackstars no. The next 20 years ahead of us enye ye because your politicians no at the Blackstars no epe votes. So Blackstars is not playing for Ghana. Blackstars is playing for the politician. When him said Blackstars 1992 you been the Ashanti group led by Kwesi Appiah. I shall say 1992. So the Ashanti group were the MPPs led by Kwesi Appiah. And Abedi Ayu Pele were the other group, NDC group led by Abedi Ayu Pele. And in 1992, about the signer Abedi Pele, Alpha Captain's Band, no, Ama Kwesi Appiah. That time, the Rollins, a president, any Afrifa-Mensah, no supporting Abedi Ayu Pele group. Blackstars, no, started say a shegu after our last AFCON victory, no, and a politician didn't echo shame. 1992, ye chair Blackstars muminu. Blackstars problem started from 1992. Nobody decided to look at it and fight the problem from its origin. Debbie Amekatro said, answer no betumi solve the problem biano. Ese se wo pe baby a asem no efiri. When it be the NTR, Emma Abedi Ayu Pele so te wo ho because of indigenous tribal politics. Edu baby na kanfo na ebo Blackstars no e disrespect Abedi Ayu Pele so e tani. E no no so say me ye tani a me ni mo no bo chen wo akani no. So our input into the country might be tribal, but our output in terms of performance, no, I can outshine you. It is hard to tell, hey, I'm in charge. Plus or minus, I'm also the captain. When it says, we are tenny and we are beginning now about Blackstars. You was said you treat you. I can't for mood tafo. Yeah, I can't for now you walk room and wong. You diabo. Yes, Ghana. Yay, Akamfo, we are the biggest problem of this country. Akamfo, I walk Ghana, Hano. Mumayan Jai Jimino, Name Yajimun Daho, Name mining ye. Yay, Akamfo, we are the biggest problem of this country. And it was an Akan who created the problem. Our Blackstars in 1992. Eti, Abedi Pele say, okay, I am the maestro. Some say me a 10 in the air. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the tribal politics, I shall say Blackstars in 1992. And almost started so moody. Abedi Pele ni. And Abedi Pele did me the Kako Rollins so quite and said, I'm going back to France. That I'm not born Lyon. I'm going back to France. Monji Mutim. So Rollins and Afrifa-Mensah had no choice. So you are the captain. You are the one who will protect. Basically, when you say Crawford, no Mukobo 1992 African Cup, no one in Nkasa, one in Yaka. I can't find a woman in any Abedi Pele Yaka. It's Abedi Pele to be uncle joining East League on executives. Says Sami Kufuor, I don't know Abedi Pele ni ho. Why if I say a choice and your choice because we're telling and the same thing and it happened in J. Kufuor's time. Germany 2006 answer na year bekono and tough one na team mu any I before maybe imply obi ankosra won but opiemu etna play him to London akohwe Michael his last name here then SCN on the Jujonu on the Abudu on the Sadiq Michael SCN nya person Kufuor na way otna play him to London kosran na jila Ali ya fa say Ali Jara ni na mabu otegra he ya obi ankosra no because Ali Jara Teddy, time I went to Kumasi Stadium to Baba Yara. It took only 2-4 to come and say, hey, Munja Jimino. Now for to Kumasi say, you are Santa Fe, Amomo. I don't need Kumasi Stadium. They took Teddy. Eti Bessin ne and Crawford and person Mefre Kumasi Stadium. Say friend Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Your friend Kumasi Sports Stadium. Time now go who you know. Ne ye ko say. Jehu. Ye nyati so your Rollins offer say pe. I go talk from say team. Na ye troka because I go nya kani. We don't respect and tough war any other tribes. You're from a minority tribe. Can you imagine? Even 1982 when we were in Libya, when him say Bessin now, Blackstars players now, a couple match no J trophy the African Cup in 1982 no. When him said dying cry promises he be some Bessin the ANC because then tough one doors. Penny that time when ye eti ye den tough for some Yet to grow on here, tribal politics. Where Teddy, where you beni, where Teddy, where you beni. When Yetimia shed their seb, Blackstars never shall force a moment timia. Yeah, politics now way football. Eti Otrado, bye bye. Yeja query. But the attention whosoever is coming ought to be we. I'm not being tribal, but I'm telling you the problem with us.